Hi friends, it's weekend right now and I'm on my way home. On the right side of the street there's a fried chicken shop, so I will buy fried chicken here. 你好，鸡叉骨要一份儿。This is a bowl of the chicken. Chicken bowl. That's a stove which the cook used to cook the chicken, fried chicken. It's very convenient in China to pay for the goods. You just need to use the WeChat or Alipay to scan the pay code, and then your money can be transferred to the shop owner. So it's very convenient. The price is 20 yuan, about $3 for 1 kilo fried chicken. Well, I can see price is fair for this brand. Fried chicken. 最喜欢炸鸡了是吧？ My baby likes the fried chicken best. I think all children like fried chicken, and so does my wife. Fried chicken, so it's $3 for one piece of fried chicken, and it's 1 kilo. It's 1 kilo. And I asked the shopkeeper to separate it into 2 pieces, and this one is the one with chili, and this one without chili. So my baby can eat this one without chili. 老婆好不好吃？ Delicious. 特别好吃。 好吃就行。So, you know that eating fried food is no good for your health, but you just can't help to eat. Why? Because it's delicious. And if you control it, you eat it like once a week. It's not a problem. Hello! We're heading to our neighbor's wedding celebration to let you know more.
Come here.
Big meal, yes.
去吃大餐啦
Yeah. So, joining anyone's wedding celebration is meaning to you are going to have a big meal. That's right. Let's show you a big meal.
Big meal.
Yes. It will be holding in this big restaurant. I think it's over here. Here, this place, my neighbor. 就是这里。哎呀！
你哪儿过来了？
哎呀！
说哪儿是咱的地？海区过来，这不是海区。
Wedding anniversary。
那个地儿了，桌子，搁这里。走哪过去？
啊？
你好。
So we will be here at this table. See? So all these dishes are cold dishes. So they are not hot dishes. They are not hot. They are cool. So it's cold dishes. And here, these candies are called happy candies. Or it's just a candy to celebrate wedding. So it means happiness and sweetness. I want to show you a whole view of this big hall. It's because it's a really lovely place, and the decoration here is really beautiful. You can see the ceiling. The light is quite beautiful, right? The ceiling is decorated with like fake diamonds. This is a hall. The big dining hall here. And this is a place for the wedding celebration. The pattern of the lights are so rich, and there are so many kinds of patterns and flower shapes for the lights. It shows the era of the celebration.
新娘双方父母对大家在百忙中参加两位新人的婚礼表示真诚的感谢。让我们用热烈的掌声祝福新郎新娘百年好合，天长地久，相敬如宾，幸福美满。
好，鼓掌！
祝福各位来宾和组内的兄弟姐妹们身体健康，家庭幸福，万事如意。愿上帝多多赐福给我们平安喜乐，福杯满溢。今天那个燕乖哥哥秀丽姐略备过酒，特地感谢大家，请大家慢慢品尝，吃好喝好。再次谢谢大家。
Fried donut, steamed bread decorated with red dates. 蟹黄锅巴，咋说呢？不知道。I don't know how to say it in English. It's a new dish. Pork elbow, 猪肘子。So it's beef and potatoes boiled, cooked together. Steamed shrimp. A soup. I don't know what's the name. 喝口 soup. 这个好喝呀，是不是啊？ Mushroom with cabbage. 芹菜木耳。Chicken is a must. Fish is also must. Apple soup. Pork slices and steamed bread. Pork ribs. Meatball. Rice. Egg soup. So don't waste the food. If you can't eat all of them, then you can pack the food home.